think there's Flare builders as well, and also Flare systems, which you may want to look into. But my go-to is Cat Analytica. And just on another note as well, I think when it comes to supporting infrastructure providers, I think it's really important to support the builders, right? So Cat Analytica, for example, here are building tools that the community have access to. And say us with Digital Dynamix, we're trying to revive the NFT ecosystem, or you have other entities that are maybe providing DeFi services. And this is how the ecosystem grows, by supporting the builders. The builders get more income from the fees, and then they use that capital to be productive and increase dApps or increase functionality on the Flare network. So it's sort of like this loop of prosperity where your delegation can directly benefit the network and also earn you rewards as well.